Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rename a participant in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a meeting. This works whether you're hosting a new meeting or joining an existing one where you have the necessary permissions to manage participants. After your meeting has started, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the meeting controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the essential features you need during your call, including audio, video, and participant management options. Now look for the Participants button among the meeting controls and tap on it. This will open up a list showing everyone who's currently in the meeting with you. This panel is where you can manage all participant-related settings and actions, making it easy to control who's in your meeting and how they appear. Next, find the participant whose name you want to change in the list and tap directly on their name. This will bring up a menu with several options for managing that specific participant. The rename feature is particularly useful when participants join with unclear names or when you want to add identifiers to help keep track of everyone during larger meetings. From the menu that appears, tap on Rename. This will open up a text field showing the participant's current display name. You can now delete the existing name completely and type in whatever new name you'd like to use. This could be their actual name, a role identifier, or anything else that helps you organize your meeting better. Once you've entered the new name, tap OK to confirm the change. The participant's name will now be updated immediately in the participants list, and everyone in the meeting will see the new name you've assigned. This makes it much easier to identify participants and keep your meeting organized. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a participant in your Zoom mobile meeting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.